guys, and welcome to this week's video. So it is week 2 of lockdown in the UK right now, and obviously we can't go out, we can't go shopping, and I'm trying to create this kind of time as a please restrict your spending, Fran, you do not need it and there's no point ordering it because you don't know what it's gonna fit like. Saying that, I might have a cheeky browse on Monki after filming this video because I just realised how much I love Monki. But this video, as you can tell by the title, it's kind of like an anti-haul. Like, I've not bought anything for freaking ages, and I just wanted to share with you guys most of my favourite pieces of clothing to wear if I do eventually go out, or just generally on a regular day-to-day basis. And it's very black I'm wearing right now, but a lot of this clothing is like pops of pink and colour and stuff. So I just want to give you guys some inspiration if you do want to do some online shopping and you just want to style some clothes to wear in the garden while you're chilling during this lockdown. So yeah, there's a right mix of different brands. I've got Lazy Oaf, I've got Monki, I've got Mega London, Primark, and even Lucy and Yak. So if you do want to see all these pieces, then just carry on watching. So all these are basically my Instagram theme because I pick out things that look quite different, quite colourful, and I could wear on a versatile kind of basis, if that makes sense. But also, if I do accidentally come across something that's super Instagrammable outside, like a wall or something, I can just pose and then upload it and it's done. My Instagram theme is saved. So I want to start off with a couple of t-shirts or tops. So the first one is from Monki. I usually wear an extra small, so it's this one here. I do tend to gravitate towards the more Frankie magazine / illustration kind of style. So this is a girl with a leaf over her mouth saying "speak your mind," which I think is quite important in this day and age, and I just love the colours. It's just so amazing, and like, whoever actually designs this work, you're talented. Like, I wish I could draw people like this. But I think these are about £8 to £10, so definitely check the website. I think this might actually still be on the website if you go on there ASAP, but it's quite loose fitting and really nice and easy to style with. The next thing from Monki is of course the classic rainbow rib kind of top. I got this in a small because it's quite tight fitting, but it's a perfect fit, and it's kind of like a mini turtleneck as well. It's kind of like 3/4 length sleeve, and yeah, I just love wearing this. It's instant pop of colour, I feel quite cool, and because it's quite a nice thin material, you can layer it up with maybe jumper on top as well, but also wear it on its own in like the spring and summer, which I have done in the past. So yes, and if you're wondering why I'm not trying this on, is because I literally can't be bothered, and I'm just happy to just show you guys because it's not like you can buy these, so don't know what else to say. But the next one is this Primark jumper. I got in a small, which is a 10/12. It's got really pretty balloon sleeves, and it's got kind of specks of colour like blue, purple, pink, orange, but it's like a really nice pale pastel pink, which I think is really nice, and it's easy to style as well, and it makes me feel a bit more classy when I wear this. And because it's quite nice and thin, again, you can wear a t-shirt underneath this to layer it up, or just wear it on its own, which I think is just as cozy. So yes, I love that. And then the next one is another Primark jumper, and it is my absolute favourite. I wear this to death. Like, I've had this for literally 2 years, maybe more, but it's just a classic. It's my pinky rainbow jumper, which I probably think you've seen me wear loads of times. Again, this is a small 10/12 and it's just got rainbow on the sleeves. So if you can find something like this, which I'm pretty sure you can anywhere, because I feel like a lot of brands do rainbow themed like clothing anyway, but this was just right up my street, and I'm sad that Primark haven't actually done any rainbow things since, which is quite gutting, but fingers crossed 2021 or late 2020 will be my year to get more rainbow themed things. And then to style with what I've just shown you, I have been wearing Lucy and Yak dungarees to death, and more specifically the Lunas. And I actually got these in a sample sale back last summer when I went with my friend to Brighton, and we queued outside the shop for literally like half an hour, maybe more, but it was so worth it. I mean, we made a whole day out of it. But I got these two because by the time I got in the shop, all the pretty pattern ones were gone. So I got these in an extra small, I think, because I'm quite short. And is this an extra small? Yeah, this is an extra small. I'm quite short, so I think small will be too long and a bit too baggy. So this is the turquoisey, sort of satiny kind of material. Really nice and baggy, and I can wear it with almost anything. And I just love Lucy and Yak dungarees because they're so comfy. Like, I hate denim dungarees. As soon as I got these, I gave my denim ones away to charity because these are amazing. And this is the pink ones. And again, I got them in an extra small. And this one's more of a cotton fit. It's quite a little bit tighter fit than the turquoise ones, but still super comfy and kind of loose fitting. And it's not too long on my legs either. So these are literally my lifesaver for like throwing something on while I'm running errands or just going out and stuff. So yes. And then the last few bits I got are bits from Minga, Lazy Oaf, and another piece from Monki. You've seen me wear this recently, but it's one of my favourite ever shirts because it's so cool looking. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's something that you could get in Urban Outfitters or like anywhere. I just feel instantly fashionable when I wear this. I'm pretty like more, I don't know how to describe it. I just feel cooler. I don't know. But it's a really nice shirt. I love the cut. You can see on the back there's this really nice kind of pleat cut as well, which I think is quite funky, and the pattern design is really nice. I've also got this in a really long dress for the summer, which I can't wait to wear because I love this pattern. And I do regret not getting a pretty pattern I saw last year in the same style of shirt, but I do have a lot of shirts at the moment, but this is my favourite. And then the next thing is a jumper, which is from Lazy Oaf. It's the Ezra Loves Oaf collection, and this is last year's one. And I saw this, so I thought, again, it looks more streetwear, cool, love the sleeves. I mean, it was one of those days when I went into the shop literally like 3 times because I tried it on and I literally couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to buy it or not. So I left the shop, went to get frozen yogurt, debated, and then I actually gave in and bought it. So I'm really happy I actually bought it. It's got the little bunny Ezra, and it's like a happy sad face as well, which is quite cute. And I've just been wearing this around the house, chucking this on if I'm feeling a bit chilly, and it's just a perfect kind of fabric. It makes you feel quite cozy, warm, but not too hot as well. And I've got something in my eye. And then I might as well show these two at the same time because it's from the same collection from Ming in London. I've recently bought these, so if you've seen my previous vlog before last week's one, you would have known I treated myself because I love cherubs and angels, and the first one is this t-shirt which says innocence, and this just reminds me of that designer angel Fiorachi, I think, but it just says innocence, and it's just so cute and easy to style. It's a really nice fit as well. I got this in a size small and it's not too baggy either, and I think this is the smallest size you can get, but I will say it's starting to feel a little bit rough the more I've worn it and washed it, but the colour stayed, which is great. And sticking with the pink theme, I got the cherubs in this velvet top, which is like a turtleneck as well, and it's kind of cropped, and I got this in a medium because it's quite tight fitting, but it's perfect and I absolutely love it. It's just Instagrammable and me in a top. What else can I say? And the last thing, the last pink thing is from Motel Rocks, which I bought because of one of my colleagues who worked with me as a temp in my shop had this, and I was instantly like, I need this in my life. I don't care if you've got it, but I need it. And it's this big fluffy pink coat which I probably need to wash because I've worn it so many times. I probably have got it a little bit dirty, but it's so big and cozy and warm, but it doesn't make you feel really hot, and it's just the perfect bubblegum pink. This is literally me in a coat. I literally haven't stopped wearing this whenever I've had the chance, and it's got a really big hood which is fluffy inside, and it's so cozy, and I'm kind of sad I can't wear it because it's getting warmer, but it gives me an excuse to wash it and make it refreshed and easy to just chuck on next season. So yeah, that is my anti-haul of all the things I already own and I love wearing. So hope I gave you guys some inspiration, a sneak peek into what I actually wear on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates when I next upload. I try and upload every single Friday, and obviously lockdown means I have way more time now, but if I'm not feeling too good I might not upload, who knows. But yeah, have a lovely rest of your week and I will see you guys very soon. Goodbye!